Hello everyone, a very good morning to all of you. Hey guys, once again I'm here with a new chapter, with a new lesson of Vistas, the Tiger King. Students, we are going to study about this lesson, the Tiger King, by Kalki. Okay, the writer, the author of this lesson is Kalki. So the story as it is written by as it is known by its title, the Tiger King. We are going to talk about a king. Okay, a king who you know who just was the name of Jilani Jang Bahadur. Okay, the king of Pratibandhpuram, the Maharaja of Pratibandhpuram. So we are going to study about when he born, when the king born. Okay, an astrologer predicted that the death of this boy is death of this boy you know would be by a a lion, a tiger. Okay, so the cause behind his death is a tiger. So you know Jilani Jangjang Bahadur means the Maharaja of Pratibandhpuram. He grew up with a very luxurious environment where he studied English, education. He took English education. He also, uh, you know, uh, watched English movies, and also he was took care by English nun. Okay, so therefore everything was given a very in a luxurious manner to the Maharaja, the Prince of Pratibandhpuram. Later, when he became a king, okay, he remembered the prediction of the astrologer, and then he decided that the rest of the issues of the administration would be taking would be taking in consideration after when uh, he will kill the tiger. Okay, the astrologer told about the number of tiger, that the 100 number of tiger. Okay, so hundreds number of tiger would be the reason behind his murder. Okay, so he decided that he would leave everything, okay, except killing, hunting tigers, until he would finish, okay, the 100 numbers of tiger. He would not do any affairs of the society or any affair of the administration. After that, after that he uh, you know after this he began just hunting tigers one by one. He killed several tigers. After that, his entire wood or the forest, it scant of tigers. Later he said to his minister, say divan, okay, to search princess who would have in her area, in her empire, where there would be several tigers. I would marry to that girl, okay, that princess. So Diwan searched such a empire where there was a number of tigers in their forest. He married, and every time, whenever he visited, he killed several tigers over there also. So overall, he killed 99 tigers. Later, he killed 99 tigers, and later when the number hundreds, so he couldn't find the 100 number of tiger. He instructed and warned his divan, okay, Maharaja warned his divan that to bring one more tiger from anywhere, otherwise you would be punished. Okay, so therefore, in a hurry, the king went to a zoo in the city, in the town, and he took a very weak tiger by its health somewhere, and put it out into the forest, and said everyone not to touch this tiger, and also to give a great care to this tiger. Okay, before the king's hunt, this might not be died. Okay, so therefore, so this thing happened a long time, and the king finally he came at the shooting site. He saw the tiger was there, who was moving very rarely, because the tiger was very weak. So king shot the tiger. Okay, and this tiger got dead, and then you know uh, king went in happily that he has finished the fright or the scare of his life. Okay, and he ordered divan and other ministers to bring that tiger with a great procession to the state. Okay, so when the rest of ministers went close to the tiger, they found that there was no scare on the body of the tiger. There was no scare, no sign of any bullet on the body of the tiger. But the tiger, was almost heart attacked. Okay, listening the sound of the bullet. Okay, so he was such a weak, that just listening the shot of the bullet, he his heart failed. Okay, and he died. So means, therefore, the ministers, they put a bullet onto the body of into the body of tiger, and then after they took the tiger to the state. So this way he completed his assignment that he took a few years before, and he became finally the king. After few years later, the king got king blessed with a son. Okay, and on his birthday, the king decided to give him a birthday, as the son was born a few years ago, but the king was in uh, such a conditions where he could not enjoy the birth of his own son. Later he decided to celebrate the birthday of his own prince, and therefore he went to bazaar, and from a furniture shop, from a toy shop, he went and saw there was a wood tiger. Okay, a tiger made of wood. So he went over there and he brought that tiger to his house, presenting his son as a birthday gift. Okay, so one day, both son and father was playing with the tiger. Was not actually made not finished in a good way. So there was a pin which peeped out from somewhere, and finally it is struck into the fingers of the tiger king, means the maharaja. Okay, and it later turned into a wound. Okay, so a doctor came, and he a doctor came from city. He you know he treated the doctor's wound, but later it sprayed poison in entire body, and finally that for that reason the king got died. Okay, so finally the astrologers prediction got true, as he predicted the hundreds number of tiger would be the reason behind whether it's a wood tiger or a real tiger. Okay, so this became, as the hundreds number of tiger was not shot by the bullet of Maharaja. Therefore the hundreds number of tiger was the tiger of wood. Okay, so it became the reason of the king's death. So this way the king got died, and this is what the summary of the story. Students, this is what here. So I hope you enjoyed the summary. So let us talk about the explanation of this lesson. Okay, a very interesting lesson, I must say, as it is. So let's begin it now. The Maharaja of Pratibandhpuram is the hero of the story. Okay, so this is the story of Pratibandhpuram and its Maharaja. the Maharaja of the Pratibandhuram. But you know one thing, students, I really like to introduce here, as I was thinking that much of students are not paying attention, or much of students are not giving proper consideration of my videos. Therefore, I decided to bring my videos in bilingual mode. Means I would speak both Hindi and English up to now. Okay, so that more and more students can be attracted towards. Okay, so students, I decided it, whether you are finding where you are thinking any change. Okay, so you can tell me, you can approach me. So right now I'm going to explain it in bilingual mode. Okay, so the Maharaja of Pratibandhuram is the hero of the story. Okay, इस कहानी का जो हीरो है वो कौन है? महाराजा ऑफ द प्रतिबंधपुरम. ओके, ही मे बी आइडेंटिफाइड एज हिज हाइनेस जमींदार, और सिंपली जमींदार. ओके, जमींदार, जर्नल, किलेदार, मेजर, सात व्याग्रह, ओके, समाहरी, महाराजाधिराज, विश्वभुवन सम्राट, सर जिलानी जंग बहादुर, MAD, ACTC, CRCK. ओके, सो ये सभी जो हैं, ये तमाम नामों से वह राजा जाना जाता था. ठीक है, ये हाइनेस जो थे, मीन्स महाराजा जो थे, वो इन तमाम नामों से ना, क्योंकि यह जो स्टोरी है ये अंग्रेज़ों के दौर की कुछ न कुछ जुड़ा हुआ स्टोरी है उसके दौर की. तो ये काफ़ी टाइटल्स उनको मिले हुए थे, तो ये सभी नाम से वो राजा जाने जाते थे. ओके, बट दिस नेम इज़ ऑफन शॉर्टेंड टू द टाइगर किंग. बट ये जो नाम था, ये अक्सर जो है लोग उसको शॉर्ट कर दिया करते थे और उनको एक प्रेवलेंट, एक प्रचलित नाम से पुकारते थे. दैट वाज टाइगर किंग. ओके, आई हैव कम फॉरवर्ड टू टेल यू व्हाई ही केम टू बी नोन एज टाइगर किंग. ओके, आई हैव कम फॉरवर्ड हियर. राइटर बोल रही है कि मैं यहाँ पे आपको बताने आई हूँ. ओके, वाई ही केम टू बी नोन एज टाइगर किंग, कि क्यों उसका नाम टाइगर किंग पड़ा. ओके, आई हैव नो इंटेंशन ऑफ प्रिटेंडिंग टू एडवांस, ओनली टू एंड इन अ स्ट्रेटेजिक विड्रॉल. ओके, I have no intention, she says, the narrator says, I have no intention, मेरा कोई उद्देश्य नहीं है, of pretending of to advance, ना, कि एक बहाना करके, एक्सक्यूजेस करके, to advance only to end in the strategic withdrawal, कि केवल कहानी को आगे बढ़ाकर केवल समाप्त करने का मेरा कोई उद्देश्य नहीं है. Even the threat of the Stuka bomber will not throw me off track, ना. नेटर कहती है कि इवन द थ्रेट ऑफ स्तुका बॉम्बर, जो स्तुका एक बॉम्बर हैं, बॉम्बर्स, सो स्तुका बॉम्बर्स भी मुझे अपने रास्ते से भटका नहीं सकते, उनका डर भी हमें रास्ते से भटका नहीं सकता इस कहानी को पूरा बताने से. ओके, द स्तुका इफ़ इट लाइक्स कैन बीट अ हैस्टी रिट्रीट फ्रॉम माई स्टोरी. ओके, इफ़ द स्तुका इफ़ इट लाइक्स, अगर वो चाहे, सो कैन बीट हैज़ टू रिट्रीट, तो वो जल्दी से यहाँ से जा सकता है. फ्रॉम माई स्टोरी मीन्स रिट्रीट कर सकता है इफ़ ही वांट्स. ओके, ओके, इफ़ स्तुका इफ़ इट लाइक्स मीन्स नरेटर कहता है कि अगर वो चाहता है, कैन बीट हैज़ टू रिट्रीट, तो वो जल्दी से पीछे हट सकता है. फ्रॉम माई स्टोरी आई डोंट केयर, बट I would not stop until I end the story. I would not advance hastily. मैं जल्दी नहीं आगे ख़त्म करूँगी. I'll tell you the entire story. Okay, right. At the start, it is imperative to disclose a matter of vital importance about the Tiger King. Right at the start means अगर शुरुआत से अगर इसकी बात करें, it is imperative to disclose. Okay, it is imperative to disclose a matter of vital. Imperative means compulsory. ये compulsory है. to disclose a matter of vital important means बहुत अधिक महत्व का एक मुद्दा यहाँ पे खोलना अनिवार्य है. टाइगर किंग के बारे में। शुरुआत करने से पहले या शुरुआत करने के समय एक बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण चीज़ जो टाइगर किंग के बारे में इम्पोर्टेंट बताना या डिस्क्लोज़ करना, ओपन करना यहाँ पे कंपलसरी है। Everyone who reads of him will experience the natural desire to meet a man of his indomitable courage face to face. Everyone who reads of him, हर कोई जो उसके बारे में पढ़ता है, will experience the natural desire, उसके अंदर एक नेचुरल डिज़ायर आती है, ठीक है, टू मीट मैन, कि वो एक ऐसे आदमी से मिले जो बेसिकली इनडोमिटेबल करेज फेस टू फेस ना। इनडोमिटेबल करेज मीन्स होता है अदम्य साहस। ओके, सो एवरीवन हु रीड्स ऑफ हिम, हर कोई जो महाराजा के बारे में पढ़ता है, वो एक जर्नल, उसके अंदर नेचुरल डिज़ायर होती है कि वो एक्सपीरियंस करता है उससे फेस टू फेस मिलने के लिए, एक ऐसे आदमी से जो अदम्य साहस का प्रतीक है। ओके, इनडोमिटेबल करेज। ओके, बट देयर इज़ नो चेंज ऑफ इट्स फुलफिलमेंट, लेकिन उसकी फुलफिलमेंट में कोई मतलब नो चांस ऑफ इट्स फुलफिलमेंट, लेकिन ऐसा कोई अवसर नहीं है, उसकी इस बात को पूरा करने कोई अवसर नहीं है। एज भारत सेड टू राम अबाउट दशरथ। ओके, जैसे भरत ने कहा राम से न दशरथ के बारे में, द टाइगर किंग हैज़ रीच्ड दैट फाइनल अबोर्ड ऑफ ऑल लिविंग क्रिएचर्स। ठीक है, जैसे भरत जो है जाकर राम से कहते हैं ना कि दशरथ जो है वो परलोक सिधार गए हैं। एज इट द टाइगर किंग हैज़ रीच्ड दैट फाइनल अबोर्ड, अबोर्ड मीन्स घर, हाउस। ओके, सो टाइगर किंग भी कहाँ पहुँच गए हैं? अपने अंतिम घर ऑफ ऑल लिविंग क्रिएचर्स, जहाँ हर लिविंग क्रिएचर्स का अंतिम घर होता है, मीन्स हेवन ना, मीन्स स्वर्गलोक, कि वो भी अब स्वर्ग सिधार चुके हैं, जहाँ हर प्राणी का अंतिम घर होता है वहाँ वो भी चले गए हैं। मीन्स ही इज़ नो मोर नाउ, इन अदर वर्ड्स द टाइगर किंग इज़ डेड। और दूसरे शब्दों में कहें तो टाइगर किंग की अब मृत्यु हो चुकी है। ओके, so this is what the explanation for today, students. As I explained you the summary and a bit part of the paragraph, hope you enjoyed it most. This is really very interesting story. The journey would be very pleasant, we would enjoy a lot, but in another day. Thank you everyone, enjoy yourself.